50 dancers, 50 marks, random assignment, path cross, dancers collide. Optimal assignment, minimum total travel, no crossings. Optimal transport finds the assignment minimizing total distance. The Wasserstein distance is this minimum cost. For flow matching, noise samples or scattered dancers, data samples or final marks, it gives the best pairing. At flow matching, each dancer takes the shortest available path. The velocity field is smoother, training more stable, generation quality higher. Mini batch at approximation makes this tractable. AlphaFold 3 uses flow matching instead of diffusion. Atomic coordinates flow from noise to folded positions. The Choreographer replaces the Sculptor. Faster training, deterministic sampling, fewer steric clashes. Flow matching for drug design. Random March 26, 2026 coordinates flow into molecular structures. Equifm adds C equivariance, rotating the input rotates the flow. The Choreographer respects symmetry. Side by side. Up to diffusion, random denoising, 1000 steps, stochastic. Choreographer flow matching plan paths 1050 steps, deterministic. Where diffusion used diffusion. AlphaFold 3 uses flow matching. The field is shifting. The Sculptor chips blindly. The Choreographer plans every path. Optimal transport minimizes total travel. AlphaFold 3 generates structures via flow. The rehearsal is over. The performance is flawless.